welcome to another video. How are you? Let me know in the comments. I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're smiling like I am, because hello, life is good. Okay, so today I'm doing first of many translation videos. Okay, so today I'll be translating Umu Igbo by Flavour. So this song is one of his soundtracks from his new album Flavour of Africa. About this song, okay, Umu Igbo, it literally just means Igbo people, or Umu Igbo, children of Igbo, people of Igbo heritage. Let me just put it like that. Okay, a quick overview of the song. It embodies everything it is to be an Igbo person. If you are seeing my videos and you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Are we fighting? No. But please, we are all friends here, so click it. Okay, thank you, and let's get right into it. I'm pretty excited. Like, I want you guys to enjoy this song as much as I love it. Okay, so here it goes. You go, anywhere you go, if you don't see woman, no one wherever you go, if you do not see an Igbo man, my friend, my brother, my sister, run. That's literally what it means. Run. Okay, run away from there, because that place is rotten. Okay, that place is finished, it's done, it's dead. Okay, run, because that place is closed. Like, it's a dead end. If you go there and you don't see an Igbo man, run, because that place is finished, it's rotten. This is literally just saying, it's just echoing, like, in every part of the world, wherever you go, you will see an Igbo person. That's basically what he's trying to say. And if you don't see an Igbo person in any part of the world, then that place needs to be questioned. That place is questionable. Okay, a country that is hard, Igbo people enter there. A country that is difficult to enter, but you will see an Igbo person. When they enter there, they come out successful. When they enter there, they carry weight, they carry strong, they will make it, they will succeed. So they'll go to a country that is hard, but they will succeed. That's, you know. The grace that God has given us is what is leading us. Every Igbo person, let's come together. English, Anyin Chabofu, let's all come together because we are all one. God is our strength. Yawa Kaijaga, that is what we are using to go. That is what is leading us. Let's go to the Igbo land where they gave birth to me. If you look at my feet, what I'm wearing is Aba. So Aba is a city in Abia State where I was born and brought up, because I was Aba. Okay, so Aba is a city, is an industrial city. If you go to Aba, you ask them to make you anything, tables, chairs, clothes, anything Aba made, anything. Aba is the land of magic. Innocent Group, cars that it produces, is called, it builds cars. So if you don't know about Innocent Group Motors is a car manufacturing company based in Nigeria and Nnewi. They make cars and they distribute it to all countries in Africa. So things that are made in Nnewi, that is the things that I'm looking for, like the Innocent Motors that is manufactured and distributed from Newi. So Abakaliki is the capital of Ebonyi State. Yawa kam nelizi. Abakaliki rice is the rice that I eat now. So again, he's just talking about patronizing and supporting things, goods, products, services that are coming from Igbo people that are based in Igbo land. Okay. I don't know what that means. Makana, because anywhere you go, if you don't see Igbo man and one neck Igbo cha, again it's just saying anywhere you go, if you don't see an Igbo man, run. What has happened? Why is it that we don't do brotherhood? Why is it that we don't have this sense of community anymore? Or why is it that our language is dying? Our language is going, and our language is depreciating. Why is it? So if an Igbo person gives birth to a child, the Igbo person speaks English to the child. English language is beautiful, but it's not our language. It's not. So he's telling you, speak Igbo language to your children, okay? So he's calling himself, because Flavour is known as Ijele. So Ijele is like a type of masquerade. Bigge one name is the guy that's featured in the song. One name, my brother, my sister. One name, Igbo Igbo Anyekule. Igbo, that is Igbo, we rise or we go. Okay, yeah. Alele, sorrow is killing me for our people that they killed during the war. So he's referring to the Biafran war, and which some people call the Nigerian Civil War. So he's saying that his heart is heavy because of the people that were killed during the war. I'm getting goosebumps. That's why I am crying. Power women. Yakam Tizi means that's why I'm crying. Tizi is like I am weeping, like I am crying. It's sorrow. He's going through it. He's really going through it. They starve our children, hence why I am crying. That is the reason why I am wailing. I am in pain. I am in severe pain. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is not a joke. He's coming from his heart. He's talking about our struggles, the things that Igbo people went through during the war. If you don't know too much about the war, go do your research. Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, well done. Continue doing what you're doing. So Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the IPOB. So Indigenous People of Biafra is a group of people that are campaigning or asking for self-determination of Biafran people. So they're asking for independence from Nigeria. So Nnamdi Kanu, he's just given him his due, I guess. So after all is said and done, God's will always prevail. Igbo people are hardworking. That's what they are talking about. Evil spirits, evil people, evil wishes or bad wishes, they are doing what they are doing in vain. Bigge is calling on Flavour, Ijele, Chukwu Kaijiaga. So God is with us, we are going with God. So he says Bigge one name Chukwu Kamjaga. So Bigge himself God is with him, he's going with God. Genevieve Nwandi Igbo Jigaba. So Genevieve, Igbo people are proud of you. Adambise, the first daughter of, or the daughter of Mbise, from Mbise. So yeah, if you don't know who Genevieve is, she's a big Nollywood superstar. So, Flavour, you make Igbo people proud. Ogada Gidige is a title, but I think he's referring to Peter Edochie. I think that's his popular name that people know him as. Chimamanda, the writer, author of big novels like Half of a Yellow Sun, Americana. She makes it cool. These people make it cool to be Igbo, you know. These are all people he's just calling. I don't really know them. This song actually has a music video as well. In the video, he went to the War Museum that is based in Umuahia, Abia State. So that's where you'll find all the equipment, the history, and the things that went on during the Biafran War. I would like to visit. I haven't been before. In the video, he really touches. He showed the rice mine. He shows a bar market, like the people where they make the shoes. He just tries to show our history, our heritage, and so I really do applaud him for that. If you're an Igbo person, give them a shout out, and if you're an Igbo person, I give you a shout out. Don't be lazy, because your ancestors are not lazy. Okay, I know you're hardworking. You will work, you will make yourself proud, you will make your family proud, and you will make every Igbo person proud. Okay, so obviously now we are going to add Ngozi Nkonji Iweala, who is the first black, the first African woman to be general governor of the World Trade Organization. If I don't know what is cool, I don't know. Okay, I'm just saying Igbo people are out here making big moves. Okay, get to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you took one or two things from it. I hope it will encourage you more to learn about your culture, learn about where you're from, go and learn the Igbo language, okay? So you can be able to understand and appreciate songs like this. Anyways, I've spoken too much. I will see you in my next one, okay? Bye. Let me give a special shout out to my sister, because she made this top for me, and she is also based in Aba. So if you are in Aba and you want a tailor, my sister, she does stuff like this, and support your own, okay? I'll leave her Instagram. You go check her out, support my sister. You know, she's a student trying to do her thing and make it work. Bye. Kills it. If you don't see woman, one